This is Euro Soccer 3702. How you doing? Let's go. We are going to randomize this list of teams 5 times. The team on top at the end will go to the person in spot 1. Team on the bottom will go to the person in spot number 20. After that, we'll randomize it one more time, and whichever team is on top will win their owner a spot, or 23 of them, in the break of soccer serial number tonight. Here we go. Good luck to all. Paste 5 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. On the top is Poland with no D on it. Ukraine's on the bottom. That's 5 times. We then get rid of that. Drop in the other exactly where you picked up your spots. After that, we are going to randomize this list one more time. Whoever's on top gets the 23 spots. Good luck to all. Here we go. One time. Let's do this. It'll say 6 times right there. Czech Republic. Congratulations to the Czech Republic. 6 times. Let's find out who's got the Czech Republic. Because they are checking themselves into a big break. Spot 15. Spot 15. Andrew. Congratulations, Andrew of the Andrew Taylor variety. I don't want to write his name in this many times. Will that work, or will it do... Oh, no, sweet. Congratulations. Just filling those in now. That is that. Good luck to absolutely everybody else, though, in this break. Thank you for following Sneaky Slaw. I can do that now. Thank you, Streamlabs. God bless. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Moreno, Hinteregger, Coman, Eileen. For Wales, Ben Davies. Red, white, and blue. And Kagla Soyonku, rookie red variant. Ozdoev, Jan Boril, Depay. And nice for Germany, Nicholas Stark to 25, the camo courtside variation. Very nice. And then on the back is Ruben Neves. Tabby, wild. Crazy. What is? Pavard, Guillem, Sanctus-Son, Denny Ceballos. Getting down in the Danny Ceballos. And Jakub Jankto, red colour variation. Maggie says Wales STB. Why? Did Portugal lose?
Germany 4-2, yeah.
Oh, Axel Witzel, Alcantara. Marlos, red, white, and blue. Wait, that's a real hot contested division, isn't it? And Guedes. Like, top 3 teams, like 3 of the... Dragovic, Sissoko, Fernandez, Carvajal, and Neuer. Yeah, that's a big, like for someone to go out of that. Frenkie de Jong, Varane, Insigne, Kane and Karaman. Eileen, Aaron Ramsey. I swear. Lewandowski, Jadon Sancho, Saul. Pontus Jansson, field level for Sweden, and a Kai Havertz. Who's going to win it all, Tabby? Tabby said Bulgaria. I don't think they're in it. You said it was coming home. Yeah. Lazaro, Pogba, Schick, a Silva, Taras Stepanenko, a Mateo Kovacic.
I think Italy's going to go well, though.
Ramos, Babel, Hugo Lloris, Goyino, and Emil Forsberg. Stephen Law says Belgium. Magda says Italy. Hey, Josh, I'm good. How are you, buddy?
Who said Italy?
Magda. So, if I can have you. Piatek, Ross Barkley, and finally, Andrzej Kramaric. And that is Euro Soccer 3702. Guys, check out the big break we have on for tonight, which is the serial number. And then there's even more once the old this end of the week. Oh wait. Have you contacted the seller? All right.